are the benefits of Frankincense Essential Oil for skincare? Well, frankincense oil offers a myriad of benefits for skincare, making it a valuable addition to any beauty regimen. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at several of these benefits. First of all, we have frankincense's anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Frankincense oil is renowned for its anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and antioxidant properties, which can aid in the healing process and speed up recovery. This makes it an ideal oil to use for various different skin concerns. The oil's ability to repair damaged skin cells and promote skin regeneration definitely contributes to its healing prowess. Next, we have anti-aging and skin tone improvement. Frankincense acts as a powerful astringent, meaning it helps protect our skin cells. It can be used to mask the appearance of large pores, prevent those crinkly lines on our face that we want to avoid, and even lift and tighten skin to naturally help slow the signs of age. Now, we have a few more amazing benefits to cover, but first, if you're new to essential oils, make sure to grab my free download where I cover the best essential oils for beginners. I not only show you the best ones to use as a beginner, but also how to use them along with awesome recipes for using them as well. So grab that free download by going to the link in the description below this video. I think you'll be glad you did. Now, the next benefit of frankincense for skincare is sebum control. Now, what in the world is that? Well, sebum is an oily substance on our skin's surface. So if you're someone that struggles with oily skin, then frankincense can definitely come in handy here, as frankincense has been studied to decrease sebum excretion. Frankincense is also incredible for promoting clear and healthy skin. This is thanks to its amazing antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. If you're finding value in this video, hit that subscribe and that thumbs up button to let us know. That helps more people be able to see this video. Our next benefits are moisturization and elasticity. Frankincense helps to moisturize and hydrate the skin, helping to restore its natural luster and elasticity. This makes it particularly beneficial for dry or damaged skin, as it helps to nourish and revitalize the skin. So as we've discussed in this video, frankincense has amazing effects on the skin, not only helping with the skin's recovery, but also enhancing the skin's appearance. Now, if you want to learn how to actually apply frankincense to your skin, check out this next video, and I'll see you there.